Ready, girl? So this is from Tofino when I went there for my brother's wedding, and a place called Pina had this amazing sweater that's locally made, and oh, it's just the comfiest thing. But so I'm finished work, it's Saturday, and I'm gonna go with Hannah and Chibi, and we're gonna be going to Lighthouse Park. And Lighthouse Park is a really, really beautiful hiking spot in West Vancouver. So we're gonna go over there and I'm gonna show you how lovely it is. I'm here in the beautiful Lighthouse Park. This is only about maybe 30 minutes from my place in Vancouver, and after a busy week in the salon, I am super grateful to be able to come here and just relax and unwind with my little puppies. And I'm going to be sharing with you guys a couple of grounding exercises, so I hope you enjoy.